therapy at home.
Welcome back to MarKeano room. And today I'm going to show you my new toy.
The tumbler comes flat, but you blow it up.
The middle ball lights up and the two other balls don't.
Hey you guys, it's Denise at myluxuryfirst.com and MarKeano. Today we're going to review one of MarKeano's newest toys, which is the Animal Friends Jumbo Roller. I decided to get the Jumbo Roller so that way I can encourage some tummy time with my baby, help him like with holding up his neck and just encouraging some crawling time and some support that he could work on as a therapy at home. Also, MarKeano does have a trach and he requires 24/7 continuous oxygen, which is that machine back there. And with that machine, it's connected to this trach mask. So I really want to encourage tummy time because I feel like he thinks that when he rolls over to his sides that this is in the way. And so it's kind of like stopping him from going or rolling all the way over to his tummy. So if there's any other parents out there with little babies that require a trach mask, I definitely recommend this toy because it will help with tummy time. And I want to show you how we're using the toy as kind of like a therapy at home for those of you that are unable to get therapy. Also, this can help with crawling and with low muscle tone and high muscle tone and things of that nature. Okay, so for starters, one of the exercises that I'm going to do with him is I'm going to have this ball and I'm going to have it right here on his legs. So I'll have the oxygen mask right here, I'll have this right on his legs, and I'll encourage him to use his hands to go over the ball so that way he can sit, because at this moment he's not sitting up by himself. So this is to encourage him to use his hands and his arms, and every time I talk to him I'm going to let him know, use your arms, use your hands, and this is to encourage him to be able to sit up by himself. So with this toy, I encourage you guys to put this ball on the legs of the baby and have them kind of curl over the ball. So that way they can kind of get used to sitting up by themselves. For the most important part is the tummy time. So we're gonna have him going over the ball. We're gonna have him just straddling across the ball. His arms in front. Want him like this, so that way his knees are up in a crawling type of position, so that way he can get used to knowing that he needs to use his knees and his legs in order to start crawling. And now he's up by himself, which is really good. Good job, MarKeano. We can encourage him with the tummy time and with crawling by having him just in this rolling position. To encourage some standing positions, I'll have him sitting on top of the tumbler, and to try to just encourage him to, you know, stand or get in that position to stand. This is going to be one of the therapies that I go through with him. Try to do another little bitty workout. There you go. There you go. So now he's in a position that is helping him with holding his head up. He's also getting some tummy time out of it. He's getting some arm time. Encouraging him to use his arms and his hands. And you can just encourage him to move more by rolling him more forward so that he's actually on his tummy, and he has to use his legs and his knees and his upper body strength. Again, it might be a little bit tough if the baby has low or poor muscle tone, but this could help work out the core. Use your arms. Put your arm back up here, baby. You gotta use your arms and your hands. Come on, time to roll. And because he has a trach, it might be a little bit more difficult for tummy time. Seeing how long he can hold this by himself. So this is MarKeano unassisted on the ball. And we're just trying to give him some time to get to know that he's even on the ball by himself and that he can actually do it. You're doing a good job, baby. Good job, MarKeano. I just want to show you guys from the side view more of the sitting therapy that he's going to be working on. Use your arms and your hands. Let's be a little bit careful because you don't want it to pop. It is basically plastic. These run from anywhere from, I think I've seen $15.99 to $25.99. And also it's see-through, so you can see right through the tumbler. And so the baby can see the balls. You see the balls? You see that? Yeah. The balls going down the different little mazes inside of here. And when you shake it, the lead ball, it lights up. So that's also a good feature. And no, you can't take the lights or the balls out of here. But this is great for early childhood development. This toy is just like a blow-up tumbler by Splashin Kids. This video was not sponsored. I bought this for my baby to encourage tummy time, to encourage some muscle tone, so maybe that he can start standing and sitting on his own. So that's going to conclude our video. If you think that this is something that might help your baby and you are going to get one, or if you already have one, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment below on some other things that I can try with this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from MarKeano and I. We will talk to you guys in our next video. Have a great day. Bye. Say bye, MarKeano. Oh, you're tired? Okay.